talk about it. Do y'all see this wave? Do y'all see this hair color? It's giving high fashion queen, high fashion melanin Bobby today, okay? A little bit of Sierra inspiredness, a little bit of Khloe Kardashian on the color. Y'all already know. If y'all know, y'all know. Because RPGSHOW, they always come through with a good color, with a good blonde color for the girls. So get into it. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hey darlings, let's get into this RPGSHOW slay, y'all. So this is how the wig comes in this little fancy sleek box. I will list everything you need to know about this beautiful unit. Look at how well it's custom. Look at how well it's packaged. Like, let's just shout out to the packaging. Packaging never gets unnoticed from the girls. It comes with wig caps, tamer, flyway tamer. It does have an extra elastic band in the back, 3 combs so it can fit very snug, and as you can see, it just slides on really easy and it lays amazing with their new improved Swiss brown, medium brown lace. Okay, can't go wrong with that. You're going to see how flawless this lays. This wig does not require any baby hairs, and it's a 200 density blonde pre-plucked, pre-colored unit. What? Excuse me? Like, need I say more? But y'all seen what it looks like. So now we gotta install it. So I am using my ORS Super Hold hairspray to lay this unit. This lace was super thin, super natural, that it just melted like right into my skin without the blow dryer. Honestly, like, you'll be seeing me press the comb into the lace as much as I can before I go in with the blow dryer, and that's how I get the flattest installs with my lace frontal wigs. So I like to do that, as well as pressing my palms against the wig so it can like actually melt into my forehead before I actually go in with the hairspray. So keep that in mind. If you want a super flat melted look to your lace, do these exact steps and you should be able to achieve the same look. And then I go in with cool and warm settings on my blow dryer just to ensure this is staying where it needs to stay and not lifting up on me. But what I'm going to go ahead and do now is work on this lace removal. This is a very tedious process, so make sure you bring the camera up close and personal so you don't remove too much of the lace, but you also need to remove pretty much all of the lace that will, that needs to be gone. Honestly, I don't really like to leave lace left over. I used to like that technique, but now that the lace is very flat and they're working on that gradient illusion to the wig, it's so much easier for you to just melt all that in and everything look, super realistic. So after I do that, of course, I take the hair down and I use that flyaway tamer, and this is just to obviously lay away those flyaways. I never really played around with this stuff until maybe like, I want to say 2 years ago, but they always came in my box, right? And one day I used it and I was like, what? I have been sleeping. Do you hear me? Sleeping. Guys, it's amazing. I just feel as though that this hair always needs to have like some kind of serum in it before you go in and do any styling in the future. But look at that hairline, you guys. Like, when I say they said it didn't need no baby hairs, they meant every bit of it. This Swiss brown lace is just melting and doing exactly what it needs to do for my hairline, and I'm just like, you know what, I can't wait to share it with you guys. So I'm super excited right now, and I have the hair on top of my head right now as we speak, girl, because when I say obsessed, I'm obsessed. I was go in with my Baby Bliss flat iron and just press the ends out so I can have a more faucet like wave to the hair versus versus it being a little too curled and too uniformed. So that's basically what I did. So just enjoy the rest of the video, vibe out until we get to the end, because I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts also. But all of RPGSHOW information will be listed in the description box below. And yeah, I love you guys. Don't forget the thumbs up if you are enjoying the video, subscribe and turn on your post notification bell, and of course comment. Let me know what you guys want to see from the girl. Okay, I love you. Bye y'all.
And bottles of bubbles, girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and not strings. Write my own checks like I write what I sing. My wrist, stop watching. My neck is fuzzy. Make big deposits. My gloss is popping. You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. 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 You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. My smile is beaming, my skin is gleaming. The way it shine, I know you seen it.
Blonde unit in a little while. I'm just cutting at like any flyaways that's like in my face and just won't lay down. That's all I'm doing. But here is RPGSHOW's hair. I'm gonna put something on a little bit more fancy because this hair is giving fancy vibes. So here is the final look. I decided to put on this Cocoa Bear one piece from Jewelry She. I love this one piece. One, because I can finally fit it now. It's not super snug how it once was, because your girl did get a little, you know what I'm saying, juicy. Overall, I really do love this freaking hair. You know who rocks a color like this all the time and a style like this? Khloe Kardashian. My girl Khloe. I love me a good Khloe look, and this hair color reminds me of her so much, as well as Sierra. Sierra loves a look like this too. So let me know who I remind you of with this freaking wig color. I literally had just told you guys that my cousin is obsessed with me in blonde hair, but I don't give him the blonde that he wants, because he wants me to be in the brightest blonde wig, and it's just not suitable for me. Like, I just be like, no, you have to really be knowing what kind of tones work for certain brown tones, you get what I'm saying? So I feel like this one actually suits me really good. More low maintenance than this. It was already styled for you. It was pre-plucked. The knots were not dark at all, like at all. When I say at all, and that's the shocker. I didn't really get too excited with you guys when I realized that I didn't need any bleaching. Usually, once upon a time, I always felt the need to go in and bleach. They're not. Definitely use that wig holder bag, okay? Please just don't throw that out and just throw it to the wayside, because it really benefits you. But the deets to RPGSHOW hair will be linked in the description. I do have a quick weave coming up, and I do have a vlog coming up, as well as a what is it, like a sleek ponytail look. I'm gonna do an updated like loose pony. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, queens.